Recap 1. Cliff diving.
Cliff diving is an extreme sport. You dive into water. Well, most of us can dive, but it is cliff diving. It means you dive from a height of 8 stories, and you reach a speed exceeding 85 kilometers an hour in less than 3 seconds. You just wear a swimsuit, but no special outfit or protection. You must be concentrated and show physical control. Of course, you need some skill. A lot of skill, I would say. A lot of spectators are awed by this extreme sport. World Championships are organised, with 50 competitions in 28 locations and 23 different countries. The first competition took place in France, in La Rochelle, which precisely means little cliff. Funny, huh? It was in May 2009. Other locations for the competition are Spain, Turkey, the Azores Islands in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, faraway Phi Phi Island in Thailand, and the magical Cenote Iquique in Yucatan, Mexico. Hilo in Hawaii and Rapa Nui in Chile are the remotest places since the beginning of the competition in 2009. All the competitors travel a lot, as you can see. In 2009, there were only 12 competitors, but now nearly 50 athletes compete each year. They are aged between 19 and 46 and are from 20 nationalities. Divers have to perform 4 dives from a height ranging from 26 to 28 metres for men and 20 to 21 metres for women. There are a total of 9 groups: front, back, reverse, inward, front twists, back twists, reverse twists, inward twists, and all handstand dives. 2 dives are imposed by the judges, and they must be performed from different take-off positions. There are 5 take-off positions. The 2 other dives are optional, but they must have a fixed degree of difficulty. A draw determines the 5 judges who are selected for each competition. Each of them scores each dive on a scale of 0 to 10. The highest and the lowest judges' scores are not taken into account. The remaining 3 scores will be added and multiplied by the degree of difficulty for that dive. This will produce the total score for each dive. The total score of all dives are added together to produce the overall total for the competition for each diver. Maybe it seems a little bit complicated, but it is quite similar to the way judges score ice skating competitions, which you can see on television. Common mistakes which make divers lose points are balks. A balk means you begin the motion of a dive on the springboard and you stop before you take off, or if your arms are not in alignment with the body, if they are either in front or on the side of the body. Judges can also deduct points according to the degree of the mistake. Cliff diving attracts more and more spectators. Since 2009, millions of people have attended the competitions. A crowd number of 75,000 spectators was recorded in France in 2015. Gary Hunt, the 2015 British world champion in cliff diving, has stated, "To have so many people come out from their homes and visit us is a lot of respect that you feel, and to have put a smile on so many people's faces, it's a great thing. 1 million people is a massive amount of lives that we can affect. Standing on top of the 27-metre platform and having 60 or 70,000 people down below cheering for you is definitely a one-of-a-kind experience, something that gives you goosebumps." Orlando Duke, another champion, has said, "You have to enjoy that, because that is not going to happen too many times in your life. This is cliff diving, and it's this many people cheering for you. It's unreal for a second. 1 million spectators is a lot of people. If you really look at the amount of people, sometimes looking from the platform down on 50,000 people, it looks so many."